Okay, now we will introduce the working handle for this machine. This is the hydra dermabrasion working handle. This is the diamond dermabrasion working handle. And this is the skin scrubber. PDT light, 2 pieces. And the spray mix gun. Okay, this one is the bipolar RF. This is the 4-polar RF. And there are 4 pieces for the fractional RF for different treatment area. And this one is the ultrasonic. Okay, now we will install this machine. This is the ultrasonic working handle. We just need to match the hole inside, match the hole and press. Last step, tie it. That will be okay. And the same operation with other working handles. We just need to match these marks. For example, the bipolar RF and the 4-polar RF, we just need to match the marks and then insert the tube into the correct hole. And last step, tie. That will be fine. Okay, this is the PDT light. When you want to remove this working handle, we need to press this silver button first and then pull out, okay? When you want to install again, we just need to match the hole inside, press, you will hear the sound. And the same operation with another working handle, okay? The same, when you want to take out, press, and then pull out. And when you want to install again, press, okay? And for the skin scrubber, when you take out this working handle, we need to loose this part first, loose, and then pull out. Okay. When you want to install again, the same, match the hole, and then press. Last step, we should tie it. Okay. And next one is the spray mix gun. When we install this working handle, we need to make sure this tip is up. The tip is up. Press this silver button, make sure the tip is up, and then insert. You will hear the sound. When you want to take out this tube, also we need to press this silver button, then press. Okay. And next one is the hydra dermabrasion working handle. And the same operation with the diamond dermabrasion working handle. When you want to take out this tube, we need to press this black button, press, and then pull out the tube. When you want to install again, just match the hole, install. And the same operation with the diamond dermabrasion working handle. Okay, when the wastewater inside this bottle is full, we have to clean the water inside, okay? The first step, we can choose to turn this bottle, okay? And then clean the water inside. But we should make sure this bottle is tightened again. Otherwise, it will influence the suction of the working handle, okay? And the second step, we can turn this black button, press turn, and use a bottle, okay? And then the wastewater will come out from this hole. And we should tie it again after cleaning the water inside. And there are third step. We can use a tube to insert this hole. Insert to this hole and then turn this black button again. Then the wastewater will come out from this tube. But we have to make sure we turn this button. We should tie this button again after clean the water inside, okay? Otherwise, it will influence the suction of the working handles. Okay, when you want to take out this tube, we should press this black button, press, then pull out. Okay, when the wastewater inside this small bottle is full, we have to clean again. Okay, and the two solutions. The first one is we should turn this bottle and then clean the wastewater inside. And second solution, we should use a towel or use a finger to press this tip. Then the wastewater will come out from this hole. Okay, when we start the machine, we will enter into this screen. There are total 4 languages for option. Now we choose English. You can see there are different functions here. The first one is the hydra and the diamond dermabrasion working handle. We can choose the working handle here and setting the treatment time. And before the treatment, we have to choose the bottle in front of the machine. After that, we start the machine. We start the working handle. Okay. And next one is the oxygen spray mix gun. The same. We should setting the treatment time and start. And next one is the bipolar and the 4-polar RF. The same operation. We setting the treatment time here and setting the strength. After that, press start. And next one is the fractional RF for different treatment area. Okay, the same, setting the treatment time, setting the strength, and press start. And next one is the ultrasonic, the same operation. Okay, and skin scrubber, and the same, setting treatment time and choose the mode. Okay, and there are total 5 modes for option. After that, press start. And last one is the photon light. Okay, setting the treatment time, setting the strength, and there are total 3 modes for option, and we can choose blue or red light. After that, press start. Okay, this is the hydra dermabrasion working handle. Before the treatment, we have to make sure this red ring have to install to this part. Otherwise, it will influence the suction of this working handle. Okay. And next step, we should install the tip. Install the tip on the working handle. Okay, for this spray mix gun, we should put the pure water inside. Okay, and then next step. Okay. Okay, next step, we will do the RF treatment. Before doing this treatment, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Okay, this is the bipolar RF. Before doing this treatment, we have to press this gray button on the working handle. Then we can move slowly on the treatment part. Okay, this is the 4-polar RF. The same, we should, before doing the treatment, we should press the gray button on the working handle and then work slowly on the treatment part. Okay, these are the fractional RF for different treatment area. For example, now we will do the treatment on the face. We can choose a small one. Okay, before doing this treatment, Also, we should press the gray button on the working handle and work slowly on the treatment part. Okay, this is the ultrasonic working handle. The same, we should press the gray button on the working handle to start the treatment.